How to fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 17 update. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down. Go to the option Notifications. Scroll down. Over here, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Now head towards the app in which you are having the notification issue. Make sure you have toggle on for this option of Allow Notifications. And then toggle on for these options, Sounds and Badges. Once you do that, you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open the option Screen Time. Scroll down, open the option Content and Privacy Restrictions. Toggle off for this option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Scroll down, go to the option General. Scroll all the way down, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset All Settings. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone notification not working after iOS 17 update. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.